In this video, we are going to cover how you can use the Red Receipt plugin in Zeems. The Red Receipt plugin allows you to track email messages that you send either internally or to another user on the internet. First, let's do a quick demonstration. In this example, I'm a manager at my company who needs to send an important email to another employee. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to assume the recipient has an account on Gmail. Once I compose the message I'm going to send, I'm going to add this keyword to my subject, and I'll click send. When the recipient receives the message, you'll notice that that keyword that I put in earlier is missing. Now that the message has been opened on Gmail, I can look back at my inbox for my Zeems Manners account. I will see this receipt letting me know that the recipient has viewed the message. This receipt gives me some very useful information, such as the subject of the email for this receipt, who opened it, and at what time, as well as some additional information on how it was viewed. Okay, so now that we've seen how this plugin works, let's set it up. First, there are two prerequisites. One, there should only be one recipient. When multiple users are specified, a receipt will be generated when the first user opens it. If you want to use this feature with multiple recipients, consider checking out the Email Campaign plugin instead. And second, you need a public-facing Zeems web interface. Log into the Zeems admin console and hover the mouse over Home and select Plugins. Scroll down to the Red Receipt plugin and click Manage. There are three options here. Enable turns the plugin on. If Convert Plain Text Messages is enabled, this plugin will also process messages sent in plain text. Finally, the Subject Suffix field allows you to specify the keyword to add to your subject to use the feature. This can be anything. However, it's recommended that you use some unique identifier that will not be present in a standard subject line. For example, we use RR in brackets, since the odds of anyone including that tag into a subject naturally is very low. Once done, click Submit and the feature's ready to use.